Prada. Miuccia Prada has created a classy and luxurious brand. Prada is a luxury fashion brand known for its elegant and sophisticated designs. Founded in 1913 by Mario Prada, the brand began as a leather goods shop in Milan. However, it wasn't until the 80s that Prada became a global sensation under the leadership of Mario's granddaughter, Miuccia Prada. Miuccia Prada joined the family business in 1978, after completing her PhD in political science. She began working in the company's accessories department, and it wasn't long before she took over the entire business. Miuccia had a vision for the brand that was different from her grandfather's traditional approach. She wanted to create a line of fashion that was modern and innovative. In the 80s, Prada introduced a line of nylon backpacks and handbags that were unlike anything else on the market. The bags were simple and minimalist, with no logos or branding. However, their sleek design and high-quality materials made them an instant hit with fashion-forward consumers. Under Miuccia's leadership, Prada continued to innovate and expand into new markets. The brand launched its first women's ready-to-wear collection in 1988, which was met with critical acclaim. Prada's designs were characterized by their clean lines, luxurious fabrics, and understated elegance. Miuccia's approach to design was unconventional. She was known for taking inspiration from unexpected sources, such as art, architecture, and politics. Her designs often featured bold colors, unusual fabrics, and unexpected combinations of materials. Miuccia was also a pioneer in the use of technology in fashion. She was one of the first designers to use computer-generated prints in her collections. Despite its success, Prada remained a family-run business for many years. However, in 1993, the brand went public, and its stock was listed on the Milan Stock Exchange. The move allowed Prada to expand into new markets and invest in new technologies. Today, Prada is a global fashion powerhouse, with stores in over 70 countries. The brand is still known for its understated elegance, minimalist designs, and high-quality materials. Prada has also expanded into new markets, including fragrances, eyewear, and skincare. Miuccia Prada's vision and innovation have been instrumental in the success of the brand. Her unconventional approach to design has set Prada apart from other luxury fashion brands. Her ability to take inspiration from unexpected sources and create something truly unique has made Prada a fashion icon. In conclusion, Prada is a luxury fashion brand that has become synonymous with elegance and sophistication. Under the leadership of Miuccia Prada, the brand has become a global sensation, thanks to her innovative approach to design and her ability to create something truly unique. With its minimalist design,